morning. This is Carol's Homestead. I want to show you how to plant strawberries. This is the bare roots right here, and I get them from the Amish, and I plant them. And I'm going to show you the fertilizer I use for all of my fruit, and it's just one application all season, and it's 6% nitrogen, and it is got other things in it as well for the fruit, but fruits need more of the phosphorus than the nitrogen, and it has 8% of that in here because it bloomed. And so what you do is you cut the roots here. Let me see if I can just get one. So I got 2, 3. So I didn't bring my tripod. So you cut the roots right here on all of them. You add this application of fertilizer once a year. And I'm just going to put a small scoop, and I'm going to mix it in to my, you don't put it directly on the plants, you can burn it. So that's the fertilizer. Then this is the bare root. You cut the roots down and you bury it in here, and then you water. These are not ever bearing. These will fruit next month and maybe some of June, and then these are not June bearing either. I plan to plant some everbearing, but right now I don't have them, and this is what I'm doing. So the fertilizer is already in there. Now it's time for me to cut some more of the root. You don't cut it all the way. I just cut it. You didn't see me cut it, but I just cut it. And you just make a space for it and put it right in there. And then you cover it up to the crown, and then you water. And that is it. And it's not too late to plant your strawberries right now. Carol's Homestead here. Thank you.